Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. In this video, we're going to learn how to use contact tags. So placing tags on people really just keeps everything organized and kind of just syncs together with all of our pipeline stages and all of the different automations that we'll build out. To create your tags, you'll be in your sub account and then you'll go to settings and then you'll scroll down to tags. I typically just use tags for any human actions that need to be taken. So right here, you can see the tags that I've built out. I've created a bad lead tag. When you're running your business, you'll find that a lot of people maybe accidentally clicked on one of your ads, or maybe they originally wanted some info about your products or services, but they don't anymore. So to label these people, I've created this bad lead tag. And when I place this tag on somebody, our automations will make sure that this person is taken out of any of our workflows and automations. And then we have this follow-up drip after appointment. This is after I've had a sales call with a potential client. If they didn't buy in that sales call and actually give me their payment information, I want to have some sort of follow-up drip that will keep sending that person information after that initial sales call to hopefully sell them in the future. And then I have a no-show to appointment tag. If I hop on Zoom or try calling a lead that scheduled an appointment with me and they don't respond or they don't jump on that Zoom call, then I tag them with this no-show to appointment tag. And then I have automated texts and emails that will send out to them to try to get them to reschedule and get them hooked back in so that I can give them my sales pitch at a later time. And then this onboard tag is for people that I've sold and have become a paying client. When I tag somebody with this, it automates different texts and emails that give them their onboarding information so they can sign into my software or different courses that I've made, etc. As you'll notice, I really don't use a ton of tags, and the reason for that is because a lot of things can be automated within our process and don't really require a tag. But these are some that are just tied to different human actions within my sales pipeline. So I found that it's better just to build these out and tag people based on certain actions. If you want to create a new tag, you'll just go to new tag up here and you'll type in your new tag. Let's say we want to have a tag to like follow up in 1 month. Then we can hit add. And now you'll see that that new tag was added in here. And then if you want to place the tag on somebody, you can do it through 2 different places. We'll just go back and then we'll go down to our conversations tab. So let's say that this Logan Johnson guy didn't show up to our Zoom call at the time that he had booked. I would tag him with the no show to appointment tag, which I can do right here. And I just type in no, and then it pops up no show to appointment. And then I would just click on this and it would put that tag on him. And then based on that tag, certain automations will start firing off. You can also add a tag to somebody in the contacts tab. You would just click on the lead and then you would scroll down to tags and then you would add the tag here. And I can add that same no show to appointment tag under the contacts tab as well as the conversations tab. Later in this lesson, there's a video labeled building automations. And in that video, I'll show you guys how to sync up your tags with your automations so that whenever you place a tag on somebody, automations will follow. But I hope this video has given you a good idea of how to create and use contact tags.